That's our T8 too. Oh, he's opening the door. He's like, get the fuck out of the goddamn car. Oh, he is pissed, dude. He is pissed.
Not happy at all. Not happy.
Oh my god. Oh,
he's taking him, patting him down.
He's patting him down. Oh,
he's on the shoulder.
Is he? I can't see him. Fuck. Hold on, guys. We're getting a front row view here. Oh yeah. Oh, dude, he's like fucking jumping up and shit. Listen, he's staying back there, so you're good to go, buddy.
Apparently.
What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I think we're on the turnpike. We're going out to get the Dirty Max, guys. We're gonna go rescue the Dirty Max with the F450 Super Duty. We got the trailer on the back there. Big old 20-footer.
I'm stressing.
And Steve is having another heart attack, pretty much.
Definitely.
Because there's all these cops out here, man.
Well, we passed the bridge, and I didn't see the cop until we passed, and then I look in my rearview mirror, and he pulls out. So
like he was like, up on our asses fast.
What the heck? Andy's on the phone just...
Yeah, I was talking to my ex-wife, so...
And I'm like, Andy, we're getting it. Like, we're getting it. And I'm only running like 75 mile an hour.
Yeah.
I don't even know
you
what
weren't even speeding. You were fine.
Flies up on my tail, and then we're coming up to an exit ramp and gets over and passes us over here.
On the... Yeah.
I'm sweating. You guys see I tossed my seatbelt on. Like,
he actually was wearing his... He put his seatbelt on and everything.
It made me nervous. It made me nervous.
We got Diesel on the back.
Yeah.
Diesel, say hi. Okay, cool.
He's living the dream.
He's living the dream. But yeah, so we're on the turnpike. As you guys can see, the mountains are in front of us. Very beautiful land out here. Very beautiful mountain range we got going on over the right there. And we're gonna go get the Dirty Max. So
we gotta go like right there.
Yeah, we pretty much Jesus Saves. We gotta go to Jesus Saves.
What? Definitely, you need to go to Jesus Saves.
No, you need to go to Jesus Saves. But we are definitely going to be going through that mountain. We're actually going to go in that mountain is basically what we're going to do. We're going to go in that mountain, and then we're going to come out on the other side, and then the truck's going to be there somewhere. Somewhere.
I think it said like 2 miles off the exit.
Yeah, it's like really, really close. It's not that far. So it's pretty much a boring ride at this point. It's just all straight highway. So I'm not going to bore you guys with all the driving that we're going to do.
I just want to say, power stroke for the win.
I will give him that. I will give him that.
This is twice now. It had to save.
It is twice. I will give him that. The power stroke is definitely doing its job today. Definitely.
And it just turned up 271,000 miles.
271. He's still not a 500,000 though, but hey, you know, not everybody's perfect, right, guys?
Putting in work.
You know what I mean? Definitely putting in work. Definitely putting in work. So let's get out there. Let's get this damn truck home and let's fix it. All right, guys. Let's go do this shit. There's another cop.
Yeah, I was gonna say because I kind of wanted to finish the website.
What are you doing? Go sit down. Go back there.
Yeah, that's fine.
What?
Well, like 10 o'clock.
What are you doing? You weird freaking dog, you. Oh, you just want petted? You want some loving? Huh? Some loving? Oh, there's the Dirty Max. Hello, Dirty Max. I missed you so much.
What a pile of shit.
Shut up.
Wow. I can't believe it's still here.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
Literally a week later.
Like literally
a week later.
I wonder if anybody came down and took selfies with it while I was sitting here.
If you did, tag Andy in it. Diablo Formula Racing.
Oh my god.
Well,
we can park right here, dude, and fucking...
Let's hope she starts.
Oh, she'll start.
I'm gonna spin her around that way we can just go right back out where we were.
Well, why don't you go that way?
I'm just gonna spin her around.
How you gonna spin around this little area?
I got this.
Lordy, lordy. Lordy, lordy.
Hold my beer, I got this.
Oh, lordy, lordy.
One thing about trucking is you learn how to truck.
Shut up. Look at all them Chevys over there, Chevys and Dodges over there.
Yeah, they're all waiting for me to come back for them too.
Look, we got people working. We got to send Steve's cousins out here working on Hondas.
Unbelievable. No, those aren't the kissing cousin type though. Those
they are the kissing cousins, yeah. They need look, that's their sticker on the back.
I do got a sticker, we should just slap it right on there. Unbelievable.
Oh, Dirty Max.
Haters gonna hate.
I'm not hating. I'm loving. Look at the damn mountain, dude. Good old Dirty Max. God, I missed you. God, I miss my Dirty Max. She good to go. She good to go.
There's no locks on this one.
I just want to explain to everybody.
Oh my gosh.
I just
Why
want
does
to
he have a
explain to
baby?
where's my GoPro? Oh, everybody right now that this doll does not belong to me. I know in the last video you guys were like, Eddie, there's a baby in your backseat.
I don't even want to.
This is my friend Elise's daughter's doll.
I was just gonna say, I know exactly.
That's whose doll it belonged to. It was not
my
mine.
truck before.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Kick baby.
Whoa. Demonetized.
Demonetized.
Baby like that.
Look at this crick. Look at this crick. I missed you, baby girl. I missed you. Dude, you know how many fish would be down under there?
Trouser trout. That's more the fish your speed.
Woo! Oh God, you're an idiot.
I'm GoPro and a GoPro. I'm pumped. But holy smokes. Oh, it's terrible. Well, I guess we'll get her strapped now.
Dude, I told you, she is pissing her little ass off, man. She's
a squirter.
Oh, she's definitely squirting. She's definitely squirting.
Well, let's get her strapped down.
We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out real nice and good. I probably could have cooled up a little bit more.
No.
You don't think? Oh shit, there's a hole there. There's another hole there. Look at that thing, man. It's crazy. Wow. Jeez, man, that's a lot of trucking, dude. Dude, yeah. That's a lot of trucking. Yeah. Oh my God, what are we doing, dude?
The biggest thing I had back here.
Really?
Back when I used to help Shane from Performance East Warehouse.
Yeah.
I had a freaking 14-foot stake body on the back of a 20-foot gooseneck.
Oh my God.
You want to talk about weight?
I believe it. Got a little bit of rust on the old Dirty Max. Will contribute to Mother Nature. It's like, I can't do that. Come here. That's wrong. We'll put that right there. It won't go nowhere. There we go. We'll stick you under there. Okay, stay. Definitely gonna need some rockers. That's for sure. Cab corners don't look too bad. They've been going for years though, but the rockers, dead.
That's a safety strap.
That's a safety strap, buddy?
That's a safety strap.
Is that what that is?
That's a safety strap.
You know what that is? That's an oh shit strap is what that is.
That's like, oh God.
In case all else fails, we have time to at least pull over.
Well, because we know how rusty Chevys are, so if I pull like a rust hole in the frame, we at least have...
Listen, I don't think you're going to be pulling a rust hole in any of frame, buddy. Like, we have a pretty good hook on this mofo right there. She ain't going nowhere. She good to go. She good to go. Big Bertha good to go.
Well, we're all strapped down.
We are. I double checked all of Steve's work because, you know, we know he's a backyard mechanic.
He's not gonna
Would you stop hitting her? What are you doing?
The straps are all good. I threw another safety harness here.
That ain't doing shit if all these straps break. What's that gonna do?
It makes me feel better.
It's gonna go snap. Bye bye dolly.
Let's hit the street. But look how beautiful this is before we go.
I was gonna say it is a nice view.
How beautiful this is. A nice little F450.
It's not a little F450. Shut up.
I like how it's the same height as yours, and yours is on a freaking trail.
I gotta get up here. I want to get a good, good pick. Oh, Steve, that's a good one right there, buddy. Turn around, buddy. Give it a thumbs up. All right, we're gonna get the hell out of here.
Should use real horsepower.
Yeah, we could have. We definitely could have. That is funny though, how it's the same damn height pretty much.
Indegenerate douchebags.
We got the good old girl back there. Good old girl back there. What do you think, Diesel?
Yeah, good thing I didn't go. Holy smokes. So this guy just parks like this. Now he's gonna move it because he knows I can't see anything.
Oh, here comes another one.
What a clown. Well, locked and loaded.
We are good to go. We're definitely good to go, boss.
We got your heifer back there.
The heifer's back there. Big old booty heifer's back there.
Yeah.
We're gonna take her home. We're gonna fix her up. And then, I'm gonna have a little bit of a surprise for you guys at the end of this video. I'm gonna have a little bit of a surprise, but we definitely need the truck for the new surprise.
My truck?
No, we need my truck fixed for the new surprise.
Oh.
We can use your truck when we need to.
Look at that. It just kicked down to low gear. She's freaking plugging and chugging back there. Plugging and chugging.
I definitely want to thank you, Steve. I shit you not, dude. I wouldn't have known what I was gonna do.
Yeah.
Like, you are a good fucking friend to be able to come out here and do this shit, dude.
I tried to get Mike to do it again. He didn't want any parts of it.
Yeah, I wish Mike would have came out. I think it would have been a great content video for him.
I think it would have been better. Drop a comment down below. Do you think Mike should have done this with the Duramax?
I think he should have. Duramax towing a Duramax.
It is a better video to have the Ford pulling the Chevy. But
yeah, well, I do appreciate it, dude. I really do.
No
I do
problem.
appreciate it.
That's what friends are for.
I know. Turnpike time.
She's a heck of a worker, this truck. She ain't even struggling. Look at the temps. 192, 154.
Well, that's because you didn't want to go up the mountain.
Would you want to go up the mountain if you were pulling my truck?
I mean, it's not my truck.
If this was the
Oh,
Duramax,
my truck will do it.
And my...
Remember I told you when we were up in Massachusetts, my temps were like 100?
I agree.
Towing that generator, like my training's built good, dude.
I know this will do it, but I'd just rather not put the stress on it. I think I'm picking a wiser decision. Flat terrain versus up a mountain.
I mean, that would be
do the math.
That would be a big ass mountain, not gonna lie.
Yeah,
that would definitely be a big ass mountain.
So
yeah, we would be going over that mountain right there, I think, if I remember correctly. Where's the ticket at? It said easy pass or ticket, so there should be a ticket.
I didn't get a ticket.
May I help you?
I didn't get a ticket.
You have easy pass?
No. It's in your truck.
Oh, is it operating?
Oh, it must be picking up the easy pass.
Did it pick up the
in
easy
back
pass?
of his truck on the
Oh
trail.
shit.
All right, so I'm good then?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, thank you.
Check that out, guys. That's awesome. It picked up my easy pass. That's
That
great.
is pretty cool. I'm like,
we were like waiting for a
where's
freaking
my ticket?
Yeah, we were for a ticket. I forgot my easy passes on my windshield.
Wow.
There you go.
That is pretty
worked
cool.
out really well.
That was pretty cool.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah. Well, plug it and chug it.
Plug it and jug it.
The sun is like beating right on.
Almost there, boss.
Almost there.
We're gonna see if the easy pass works again.
Yeah. I forgot about that.
It's got to. I mean, if it worked before, it's. I didn't think there was money on it.
Does it turn green down?
I don't know, to be honest. I don't know what happens. Just go through it.
Oh, no,
It should say something. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't see anything. I don't see anything.
Lit up.
I think we're okay.
Well,
Yeah. Oh, it should have worked. It should have.
We got Lancaster County Sheriff getting off over there.
Oh man, he's taking them prisoners away. Oh yeah.
You want to hear some Power Stroke singing? Oh, sorry.
He almost took my arm off.
Windows up.
Windows up. Dogs in.
Yeah.
This is some Final
That's how you know that
Destination.
this thing's got mad power. I literally got to come off the gas so we don't rear end this big old log truck.
That's some Final Destination shit right there, boss.
That's some Final Destination
That's
stuff
what
for
that
sure,
is, man. That's what that is.
I can't even fault him though because he's got a little bit more weight than me.
He does have a little bit more weight than we do.
But we had to lift.
We do. Yeah.
We had to lift.
We had to lift. We had to lift. No lift left.
And I don't mean Uber.
Yeah.
See what I did there, guys?
Oh my god.
Your boy's a comedian.
Alrighty, the old girl. So see what's gonna happen here is we're at Steve's house right now. Alright. And considering the fact I don't really have the time to work on this freaking truck and fix it and look at it, because I got so much at the shop that I got to get done right now. I got a lot of work. I don't know why I'm tired. I just carried his trash cans. They're empty trash cans up the freaking driveway. I don't even know why I'm tired. So basically what we decided on the way back was we're gonna have Steve look at it and give him some good content.
I left without a leash. I can't just let him go.
Let him go, see where he goes. Fuck no. But we're gonna have Son Steve look at the truck, because obviously he has a lot of free time. Plus it'll also make some good content for his channel to be working on the old DFR dually. And like I said, it gives me time to do what I need to do, and stuff like that at the shop when I don't have to. I really don't have the time to deal with this. So he's gonna check it out, see what's going on with it. If it's an easy fix, he's gonna fix it. And I think he was talking about even ripping out the transfer case for me, bringing it down to the shop so I could tear it apart and see what's wrong with the transfer case while it's up here. But yeah, so he's gonna make it fucking happen. Good old Santa Steve is going to make it happen, guys. He's going to make it happen. So I'm excited. It definitely takes a lot off of my plate having to deal with that, which I'm very happy about. So thank you very much.
Yeah.
Good old Santa Steve.
I'm excited.
Yeah. You excited to work on a Dirty Max?
I'm excited.
This is a famous Dirty Max, 500,000-mile Dirty Max, man.
It's pretty famous. A lot more famous than that crappy power stroke
It's
up there.
definitely.
That completed the task out and back and then had to tow yours back. Power stroke for the win.
Well, I'm gonna end this video now because now it just got fucking horrendously boring. But hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. We'll get the
Safety strap out there.
that's because the truck moved around. If you enjoyed this video, like I said, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is Diablo Formula Racing as well. Diablo Formula Racing as well. Check out Santa Steve. First link in the description. It was his YouTube.
If you want to see reliable, good content, call me.
Shut up.
Follow me.
Deuces, guys.